Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a wise old man named Master Ezra. He was known far and wide for his profound wisdom and the twinkle in his eyes that seemed to hold the secrets of the universe. One day, a young villager named Mia, burdened by the weight of her troubles, sought out Master Ezra for guidance. She found him sitting under the shade of an ancient oak tree, his long silver beard swaying gently in the breeze. "Master Ezra," Mia began, her voice carrying the weight of her worries, "I feel lost and overwhelmed. Life seems to be throwing too many challenges my way, and I don't know how to overcome them." Master Ezra looked at Mia with kindness in his eyes and gestured for her to sit beside him. "My dear Mia," he said, "life is a journey filled with peaks and valleys, storms and sunshine. It is in facing challenges that we discover the strength within us." He then handed Mia a small, smooth stone from his pocket. "Hold this stone in your hand," he advised, "and imagine it as your worry. Feel its weight, its texture, its sharp edges. Now, close your eyes and take a deep breath." Mia followed his instructions, closing her eyes and taking a deep breath. As she exhaled, she felt a sense of release, as if a burden had lifted. "Now," Master Ezra continued, "imagine that same stone turning into a feather, light as air. Picture it floating away, carried by the gentlest breeze. Release the weight of your worries, Mia, and let them be carried away like that feather." Mia opened her eyes, and for the first time in a while, she felt a sense of peace. Master Ezra smiled. "Life's challenges are like the seasons. They come and go. Embrace the lessons they bring, and remember, you have the strength to endure and the wisdom to learn." From that day forward, Mia carried the small stone-turned feather with her, a tangible reminder of the valuable lesson she learned from Master Ezra. Whenever life threw challenges her way, she would hold the feather, take a deep breath, and let go of the weight that held her back. And so, the wisdom of Master Ezra not only eased Mia's troubled heart, but also became a beacon of hope for others in the village. His simple yet profound teachings echoed through the hills, reminding everyone that, in the face of challenges, a peaceful heart and a wise perspective could transform even the heaviest burdens into feathers that gently floated away on the breeze of life.